Hi friends, this is Sarvajan here. Welcome to my networking channel. Hope all are doing good. And today let us discuss about the trunking issues. So here is a architecture where I connected two switches. So both the switches are connected means of trunk. And there are two PCs I connected to the individual switches. Both these switches are in a VLAN 10, right? This IP is 10.2 and 10.3. So for some reason, I'm not able to ping both the PCs, even though both are in the same VLAN, that is VLAN 10. So this both the PCs I can't communicate with each other. So we need to debug and fix the issues. So now let us go to the individual configuration. So now let us go to switch 0 and let us check the trunk port. Show interfaces trunk is the command you have to check always. So the VLAN 1 and VLAN 10 is allowed, right? So that's the thing. So it's all this port is already configured as a trunk port, and let us check this port. So before that, let us ping the individual PCs. So let us go and check. So this PC I configured in 10.2. This is a 10.2's IP, 10.3, and another PC I configured in 10.1. So let us check it out. 10.2 and this is 10.3, right? So both the PCs I'm not able to communicate with each other. So we need to fix the issue. 10.3 I'm able to ping, but the remote PC 10.2, even though both are in the same VLAN, that is VLAN 10, I'm not able to communicate. So let us go and debug the issues. So let us go to the switch and let us check the issue. Let us switch one, right? So let us go here and show interfaces trunk. So but here I'm not able to see any trunk port. As per the architecture, both these ports should be configured as a trunk port, right? This both the ports, but this port is configured as in access port, right? So that is the reason I'm not able to communicate. So now we need to check this corresponding port. How we can check? Go to the corresponding switch. I'm not able to see any trunk port. So go to show run interface fast Ethernet 0 by 1, right? So let us check the show run configuration. It is configured as a access port, right? So we need to change it. So go to configuration mode, interface fast Ethernet 0 by 1. So no switch port mode access, and let us convert to switch port mode trunk. So now you're configured as a trunk port. So now let us check the trunk status. Show interfaces trunk is the command you have to check the trunk status. So it is showing allowed, right? So both 1 and VLAN 1 is a default VLAN, that's a management VLAN, and VLAN 10 is also allowed. And let us check the other switch also. So both the switches I'm able to see the both VLAN 1 and 10 is allowed, right? So that means the architecture is working fine. So now let us go ahead and check the individual PCs. So now let us check the status. Let us go to the first PC and let us check the ping. So IP config. So ping 192.168.10.2. I'm able to ping the first PC and the remote PC also. Let us check. So I'm able to ping both the PCs, right? So both are in VLAN 10. Now the interface came up, right? So let us check the other PC also. PC2 10.3 and able to ping the 10.2. So both the PCs I'm able to communicate. So this is a very simple architecture, but you have to understand this port should be always configured as a trunk port, even though both are in the same VLAN. So both are connected with a different switch, both the pieces, right? Always switch to switch, you have to configure as a trunk port, and what is the command you have to check is show interfaces trunk. So always for debugging, always you have to keep remember all the show commands. So that will be really helpful for debugging all the issues, right? So I hope you understand and enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me for more videos. Thank you and have a wonderful day.